Picture this. It's late in the month and your wallet's gasping for breath. You've stretched every dollar. Rent, groceries, bills, saving? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me tell you a secret. Even the tiniest savings can snowball into something big. Let's break it down together. So, here's the struggle. You work hard, but the cash just covers the basics. I've been there. Sometimes it feels like there's nothing left to save. But here's what changed for me. I made the decision to save, no matter how small. That one choice? It flipped the script. Step 1, I made a budget. Nothing fancy, just 3 columns: income, expenses, and savings. I tracked every dollar and gave myself a spending plan I could actually stick to. Step 2, I looked at what I could cut. Maybe it's skipping takeout once a week or swapping the brand name products for store brands. Little changes add up fast. Step 3, I stopped letting impulse buys wreck my plan. When I saw something I wanted, I paused and thought, do I really need this? Most times the answer was no, and my savings jar thanked me. And step 4, I stayed consistent. Even a couple of bucks a week went straight into my future jar. Not much at first, but over time it really started to grow. Fast forward a year, my savings jar was full, and for the first time, I had a cushion. The best part? My story inspired others too. Remember, every step counts. Even if you're starting small, you're moving forward. So don't wait, start now. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips like this, hit subscribe.